Welcome. My name is Kim Richman with Compass of Los Gatos, and I am pleased to invite you into the most beautiful townhome I've ever had the pleasure of representing. 18400 Overlook Road, number 40, in beautiful downtown Los Gatos. Please join me inside. From the very start, the quality of this property is unbelievable. The solid core, new front door is amazing. And all of the special Baldwin hardware. Immediately you'll see all of the expansive renovations and top-notch quality that the owner painstakingly spent years putting together. There was well over $270,000 worth of improvements put into this property to open up walls to the dining room, and to produce this amazing modern European kitchen. Where do we begin? We have European cabinets with wonderful satin nickel hardware. The easy close cabinet tops here, just beautiful. Quartz countertops, 2 different tones. Top-notch appliances. We've got Wolf ovens and microwaves. We've got a Thermador gas range, Thermador hood, the most amazing Miele refrigerator that also matches all the cabinetry. This is amazing. Custom lighting throughout. Don't forget the backsplash is this opalescent mini subway tile. I love this. Just really brightens everything up. So then you take this beautiful kitchen and it opens up into the downstairs living space, living room, dining room, custom lighting throughout. All of this and the entire house is pulled together with this 7-inch white oak, European white oak plank with a whitewash finish. Keeps it light and bright. Speaking of light and bright, we are lucky in that we are an end unit, and because of that, we are able to have the end unit windows that allows the sun to shine through a good portion of the morning. If we step down to the living room, it features a gas fireplace with a honed marble surrounding wall. And then we have a little niche over here. It's kind of under stair space, but it's great for storage. Again, more of those beautiful windows that allow all the natural light to come through. And there are beautiful linen draperies and window coverings from the Shade Store. These are gorgeous. Again, I've never had a more beautiful townhouse to represent. This whole living space leads us to a private yet large brick patio. Great for entertaining. Easy space, plenty of space for an outside barbecue for your grilling days. And rare to this particular unit is the access to the HOA or the common open space. So if you have pets, you have children, and you want some place for them to roam, you've got plenty of space here. We do have new roofs going on right now as we speak, so you'll be hearing and seeing some of that going on. So all of the units are getting new roofs right now. Why don't you join me back inside and I'll take you upstairs. We do have Nest thermostat easily programmable. We have the same beautiful wood going up the stairs. Don't miss, oh, excuse me, we have a half bath, I apologize. We have a powder room that is stunning. Please go ahead and take a look. The mosaic wall tile work in there, and the beautiful vanity piece. It is closed off with a pocket door. Just gorgeous. Now I'll be featuring and showing you the bedroom second story. And we open up to what's legally still a third bedroom, but previous owner opened up the walls and reconfigured this into a wonderful either den, office space, workout area. Yet if you want it as a third bedroom, you're still able to wall it off with a door, and there you go. It opens up onto a large balcony. One of the things I missed showing you down below, but it's way easier to see here, is the beautiful hillside views of Los Gatos Hills. And again, a really great shot here of the common space that is accessible from our rear patio. And new roofs. All right, so we'll head back this way, and I'll take you to the first ensuite that we have. Also has the wonderful sliding doors. Again, custom shades from the Shade Company. We have a new barn door that closes off the bathroom from the bedroom. I love this feature. And then a huge bathroom suite with the closets, multiple closets, shelving, and a brand new vanity, your own private toilet room. This is a lovely, huge bathroom. And then we'll head off to the main suite. However, one of the things I want to share about this unit, we have a sub area here in this unit where the furnace, the water heater, and the air conditioning unit all rest. So what that allows for this unit to have that no other unit has, there are no services in the house. All the living space, 1,916 square feet of living space, is used as living space. It also allowed for there to be an actual laundry room, not a laundry closet like most of them have. Let me show you that here. Oh, so sorry. It does come with stackable washer and dryer. Still has the linen storage up on the wall. But again, unless these units have been completely refigured, none of them have an actual laundry room as this one does. And again, that's because of everything being under this unit in its own room that also doubles as storage. Now I'm going to take you into the main suite. But before I do, I wanted to make sure and point out we have a drop-down ladder into the attic space with more sufficient storage with shelving units up there. We'll show you a picture of that shortly. Please, why don't you follow me into the main suite. Again, nice and bright. We have our own private balcony here on the main suite. 2 closets with shelving and full work throughout. There are plantation shutters in this bedroom as well as the bathroom. Again, we have another beautiful barn door that creates privacy from the bedroom to the bathroom. And another large bathroom suite with plantation shutters that allow all the natural light in. We have wonderful storage here in our linen closet, all built in. Beautiful shower stall, double drawers that allow for storage here in the main bath. Both of the vanities and the two en-suites are the same. Hardwood floors throughout, although the owner did think through that if somebody wanted to tile the bathroom floors, there's a nice break in the hardwood flooring that makes that easy to do. Hi! We go up into the attic space to show you all the tremendous storage that's up here. I'm gonna come down and he's gonna come up. Outside, on the left side of the building in our unit, is the underground or subterranean storage space and utility closet I was talking about. Down here we've got our furnace, our air conditioner, and our water heater, allowing all the living space inside to be used as living space. It also makes for the patio to be quiet, because most of the units have their air conditioners on their patios. We do not. We just get nice, quiet enjoyment. This is also excellent for being able to store bikes, golf clubs, gardening equipment, skis, anything that isn't going to fit anywhere else in the house. Okay, so there you have it. 18400 Overlook Road, number 40, in beautiful, iconic downtown Los Gatos. We're situated in the Glen Ridge area of Los Gatos, which is just blocks away from the trails, from the shopping and the fine dining of downtown Los Gatos. We have our own movie theater, carriage rides, a Los Gatos Christmas parade, all things that aren't happening this year, unfortunately, but will be back. We are situated in the Los Gatos foothills, and we are 1,916 square feet of living space, 3 legal bedrooms with 1 converted to an open air loft or office, 2.5 baths, as you can see, completely remodeled and gorgeous, listed for $1,550,000. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, Kim Richman with Compass, 408-406-9533. I welcome any questions you might have, and I look forward to talking and seeing you soon. Thank you.